Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Zadie skin. To unlock her, you'll need to complete a specific in-game challenge, which is usually tied to operator missions. Once you've completed the challenge, Zadie will become available for use in your loadouts. This process is straightforward and doesn't require any purchases for her base version. We'll dive into the exact steps next, ensuring you can add this unique operator to your roster quickly and efficiently. Get ready to dominate with Zadie. Unlocking Zadie's base skin is quite simple. You need to complete an operator challenge that requires you to get 15 kills using a shotgun. The crucial part is that all 15 of these shotgun kills must be achieved within a single match. Focus on game modes with close quarters combat to make this challenge easier. Once you successfully complete this, Zadie will be added to your operator roster, ready for deployment. Beyond her base look, Zadie has several other fantastic skins available. Most of these are found within the in-game store as part of various bundles. These bundles usually cost around 2,400 COD points and often include other cosmetic items. Occasionally, new Zadie skins might also be featured as rewards within specific tiers of a battle pass, so keep an eye on those as well for more options. For unlocking Zadie's base skin, try playing objective-based modes like Domination or Hardpoint, as these often create more opportunities for close-range shotgun engagements. Always keep an eye on the in-game store for new bundles featuring Zadie, as they rotate frequently. And speaking of smart moves, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, there's a fantastic resource. Make sure to check the description below for a link to a recommended book, The Simple Path to Wealth, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.